How to fix Facebook sorry something went wrong problem. So, first, check your internet connection. So, close Facebook and go to phone settings. Click on Wi Fi. Now, try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, try switching to Wi Fi. You can also turn on airplane mode. So, click on airplane mode and wait for about 10 seconds and turn it off again. Now, once connected to the Wi Fi, close the settings and open Facebook and try again if that works. Next method is to force close the Facebook app. So, on your phone, open the recent app screen. So, swipe up and close Facebook. Then wait a few seconds and reopen the app. So, this refreshes the app session and removes temporary glitches. Now, for the next method, clear Facebook cache. So, if you're using Android, you need to go to settings, then go to apps or application manager, then find Facebook, then tap clear cache. So, do not tap clear data yet, just clear cache first. Cache files helps apps load faster, but sometimes they get damaged and cause Facebook to show the something went wrong message. So, once cleared, open Facebook again and see if that works. Next is to log out and log back in. So, to log out, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Scroll down and click on logout and confirm the action. Now log back in again and see if that works. So close Facebook app and press and hold the Facebook app. Click on remove app. Next tap on delete app and click on the delete button again to confirm the action. Now once deleted, you need to go to App Store, click the search bar and search for Facebook. Tap on it. And here you should see a cloud icon and click on that to install Facebook again. Once installed, open the app again and see if that fixes your problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.